Scoot over. No. Okay, that's it. That's all I got.
Yay! Now nail review. Nail.
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 Now the fit.
We're matching, bro.
Twins.
Okay.
And then we got a little.
Oh.
I'm like peeing under pressure. What are you going to stop? Oh my god.
Oh, we're going. Is this okay? I got a water from Megan. I got a fan. I got one chewy bar.
Wow, you're so thoughtful.
For all four of us. And I got my Aquaphor. Yeah.
And she has Arc'teryx on.
I can't because I'm a real hiker.
What's in your bag?
Is that her silhouette?
No. That's a little boy.
And then
They're pretty close.
I
You
got
probably have more meat though.
camcorder. Camcorder. Double camcorder. Wow. I have that one.
I got my taco cat. I got Glacier.
Mango.
And an Aquaphor because I didn't know I'd bring both. The double corn nuts.
Oh,
wait, what
my
flavor?
God.
You turned it upside down. Oh.
I thought if I brought food, you guys would yell at me and like be like, "Oh, it attracts animals," and call
So
me
I
dumb.
actually stalked Megan and Sienna's page because I was like, what do I wear? And then I saw that they brought snacks, so.
I was imagining.
We brought a whole picnic.
We did, bro. You
Okay,
guys did.
transition time. Ready?
Sorry.
Boom! What's up, guys? Today's YouTube video, we're trapping 3 girls, you included, on the mountain and seeing if they can survive for a week. Yeah, look off to the side. I think it's something about the way you just look.
No! Freak me. Okay. She looks more nonchalant than I
There's a
Yeah. Whoa. New cameraman?
Ready?
Oh, that's cool. Wow. This hair is like reflective. Okay.
Amazing day.
Let's go. Okay. One done.
No, it's a full heart.
Pardon? Y'all, I can't be in the front, like, obviously recording. Come on, please. Oh my god, project your freaking voice. I didn't catch that. Redo! No, they said, yeah, it is. Nobody heard you. The camera didn't hear you, so it didn't happen, Angeline. Oh. Oh, what a fight. Oh.
Actually, get that out of my camera. Dude, have that removed.
Wait, one more. See.
California.
What are you doing? Yeah, leave. What the heck was that? They went, good morning, and you went, California. Oh, shoot. D. No, I'm recording. No, freak. This has to all D. Okay. So screw you both.
I genuinely couldn't think of anything. I swear.
We have to.
You know, I just said California to a random lady, right?
Good morning, California.
Fuck Delaware? Like what? I nearly almost did. Oh, Dan, is that you? Okay.
Okay.
Dude, I'm ready.
Okay.
Oh, I was. Careful, 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 SpongeBob, careful!
Oh, there's a butterfly!
Lizard.
There's a butterfly. That's a big boat.
So pretty.
What if you pick it up?
Try.
Can I?
Oh. Did you see that one a couple days ago?
Yo, yo! She got the butterfly.
Wow. First river crossing. Ooh. And you go first. Okay. Oh, oh. Oh, dang. Oh. Okay.
Dude, I'm so embarrassed. I literally straight up like, and I couldn't get the words out.
When's it your turn? Is it your turn?
It was supposed to be you.
What?
You go, Dan.
Oh, fine.
No way, that's where
Okay, we're not doing this, guys.
Shoot some in water.
What have you?
You have a beautiful window. Whoa, that spider web is crazy.
Oh yeah.
Guys.
Oh my god!
Guys.
Stop.
Guys.
What the hell?
It's a creep.
Take me to my backyard.
Where to go?
Oh, that's fine.
Keeping Tom's talking to us.
Wait, this is so pretty, guys. Okay, what are we doing for G?
Good day.
Snap at him too.
I think we're trying to get drunk.
Really?
Really? Oh, perfect. Go, Angeline.
Me?
Yeah.
Good day.
Nice job, chap. That was just fun. Oh. That was noisy right there.
Peter! That's
Wonderlust. What is it called?
He said it's like evergreen. No.
It's definitely not evergreen though. I just said that.
Peter's Wonderlust.
oh my god. Oh my god.
Wonderlust. Peter, that's salt straw. I killed you in a second.
You keep on almost dying, dude.
You had a great hike.
Hello.
Here's the plan. I gotta go. And I'm clutching my butt. And I run off and you guys are chasing after me going, what is it?
River, go to the river.
Go to the river, get to the river, come on.
Okay, you leave, okay, you leave.
Okay, you leave. Wait, that's a good one. Okay, we have to do it. I have no shame.
Here's ma'am.
There's like 14 little kids. I can't do
That's fun.
Oh, beautiful. Looks like they're on letter T. I gotta go. Okay, you leave. Okay, you leave. Bush, go find a bush.
Oh, yeah. Oh, gosh.
Oh, yeah.
Guys, this is a little harrowing.
Whoa, that was an I ready word.
Yeah. It's a good word. Whoa. Next up. Ugh.
From Utopia.
Move, move.
Oh yeah.
Man, move. Oh.
Oh, get into it.
Don't stop. Get it. Freaking stopped again.
Go.
What are we doing? River crossing number 3. Wait, I'm gonna wait for them to pass so I don't have to record. Ow, Gray Evans. Just gonna fall. Go, Angeline, go! Go! She's gonna eat shit, bro. You got this! Oh my god, it's over. Oh my god. Oh! Oh! So surprising. Whoa. It's like she's in the Jungle Book. Okay, let's run away from her now. A little bit. Wait, you can't see. Am I? Oh, man down. You got it. Yeah. Take this one. Okay. Man down. Oh, shit.
She's venturing on her own. Boom, boom, boom.
She's safe! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh god! Holy shit! They're going into the water. Water. She is not going into the water. Oh. Right. Actually, you're like the most waterproof right now.
You are the most waterproof.
I mean, you kind of went in the water already. Wait. Oh, he's so cute. Woo! My bad. I got distracted. Holy shoot. It's breezy. Oh, okay. They're coming back. Is that the move?
Ew, don't record my. Oh no, everything fell.
Oh, shoot. Yuck!
Oh, don't get the.
Yuck! Yuck!